Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, West London is in the house, and we're happy to have with us the musical trio, Western. Welcome, gentlemen.
Yo.
Hey guys.
What's good? What's happening?
Hey. So, okay, we first heard about you guys from Cash, who came on our show to promote the single Wagwan, or, you know.
We got cash, man. We got cash.
Yeah, can you guys introduce yourselves to us individually and tell us the role that you play in this trio?
I'm Akel Charles. I sing and rap. I'm Hailey. I sing.
I'm Louis Ray, and yeah, man, I'm just here for the vibes, you get it?
Can I ask a question? Who's the youngest? Who's the youngest?
Me.
You know someone know?
See, two of them say he's the youngest.
Guess why?
Why?
He's sitting in the middle. You're like, you're not sitting on the end.
Oh.
You don't get the window seat or the aisle
You're
seat.
in the middle.
You sit in the middle.
Big people sit on the end.
Take your hands off the armrest. Put them in and keep them in your lap. So, I mean, how did you guys get together as a group, though?
Yeah, so we're all from West London. Akel is actually family. And basically, a few years ago, Akel was working on a mixtape, and I used to make beats, and I used to sing. And yeah, basically on that mixtape is where I met Louis, because he was featuring on one of the songs. And then we all just became friends. They were friends prior to that, and we all became friends, started making music together. But this was before Western. And then, yeah, we just kept making music and eventually formed the trio. And it's just been that ever since.
Excellent, excellent. He's in the middle, but he's the one that's like talking. So,
Yeah, you
Akel
talk.
or Charles, so you guys were all, like you said, you were born in the UK, but what are your families, you know, descent? Where are they,
Where are you
the
from?
background?
I'm from the Isle of Spice, Grenada, both parents.
All right. We ain't too mad at you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We love y'all. It's all good.
I'm the odd one out.
I had to say it.
Yeah.
We ain't mad. We love you still. It's all right. What about you? Louis, just here for the vibes.
These are from I'm from Jamaica, but I'm mixed race. So England and Jamaica, basically, the simple answer.
That's why you're here for the vibes,
Yeah.
because, you know, vibes people. I get it.
Come on, man.
Shots!
Shots fired.
Yeah.
So what about you?
Yeah. I'm from Grenada and Guyana.
Good mix.
All
All right. Nice mix.
Grenada, Jamaica,
Jamaica.
Grenada, and Guyana.
We family.
No
You
problem.
know, it's all good.
Yeah, some more Grenada than anything, you know?
Yeah, and you're saying that with the Jamaican dialect. Big up yourself.
We keep firing at you, mate. We keep firing at you. I'm joking.
Don't worry, I'll be over there soon. Don't worry.
Yeah, you should. But I mean, with your parents, you're from, you know,
Eclectic background.
right. What's your sound? What's your musical sound like?
We'd say over here, it's more like there's a thing called Afro swing, but it's more for us. It kind of leans a bit more towards dancehall. But what we say is it's feel good music, really. That's kind of the way to encompass the whole thing
In one.
In one. So yeah, we just say feel good music.
All right, I like it. Okay, so you guys, speaking of which, you guys have 2 songs out right now. You have Be My Guest with Fireboy, and you also have Wonder Woman, which I kind of like the sound of. So let's take a look at the visualizer for Wonder Woman, and then we'll get back to you. So let's take a little look in the studio.
Who is singing the hook?
Me.
Man, I told you.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I told you.
All right, with the sweet voice coming through with a little sweet voice. Okay.
Yeah, she's
okay.
feeling you.
I'm feeling it. I like it. But a quick question, like we said.
You know that, off air, he'll be like, listen, I was in the middle, but hey.
But guys, it's a visualizer, right? Did you guys have any choice in the visuals that you chose? The 3 dancers, is there a reason why you chose these 3, or this kind of style, or them dancing with that particular genre that they're dancing with?
Basically we work with this particular director, so a lot of the last few videos that we've done, there's a lot of dancing involved in them. So where our music's feel good and it's just a vibe, it's jumpy, it just makes sense to infuse the two. So yeah, like let's see them there. Yeah.
Okay, all right, I like that. I know with your parents from the Caribbean and you guys are living in the UK, why do you think it's important for you to build that bridge with your audience outside of the UK with the Caribbean?
I think it's important because it's a big world, man. The internet's just changed everything, and like I just think everything needs to be more connected, especially with our music. It's not really sunny all of the time in England, you know what I'm saying? So our music sits well in the sunshine, you understand? So it makes sense for us to just be international with it. That's why we enjoy branching out and just traveling to these different places and connecting with beautiful people out there in the world, you know what I'm saying? Because it's bigger than just over here.
Yeah. Speaking of beautiful people out there in the world, what Jamaican acts are you guys listening to right now, and who would you want to work with?
Big up.
Loads.
Yeah.
Right now. A lot of the Jamaican right now. But, big up Lila Ike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lila.
Definitely. Big up Lila.
Lila.
Big up Craney.
Who?
I'm working with Shensia.
Okay.
You are a real Jamaican. You is a real Jamaican. You are a real Jamaican. You
Tell
are.
him you don't know what it means,
Yeah, and he's like,
Louis says, I don't know what you mean.
no, he's
sir.
like Shensia.
He says she's a good singer. I get it. I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dexter Daps, I was saying that we would love to do something with Dexter as well, man. That sound there, I feel like it would match our sound.
Yeah, Dapper Dan.
Yeah,
Dapper
man,
Dan.
that would be nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
All right, guys. If you have family or friends here in Jamaica, give them a shout out now. We leave the Jamaican for last because he maybe have a list.
You see you.
You see him. You
see you there.
He's troublesome. Yeah. Swimming Grenadian is cool though.
So go
All right,
on.
go on.
When you leave, we're just gonna have to take it out on him.
I love it. I love it.
All right.
So go on, guys.
Yeah,
What's your shout out?
Shout outs.
Yeah, shout out. I just want to shout out my boy Shabs Don, aka Shabba MPR.
Yeah, I'll second on that as well. Big up Shabba, man.
Listen, I must keep it simple, man. Big up the whole of Jamaica. You don't know the thing. Portland, you don't know the vibes. You get it. That's what it is.
That's
He's
good.
saying all the right things. He's saying all the right things.
Doing a good job.
Yeah.
Because before we go, because we're running out of time, how can we find you guys on social media?
Yes. Instagram, Western Music. Twitter, Western Music. What else? TikTok, Western Season. We're everywhere, man.
Yeah, just check out and then everything is there. You can find
Everyone's
everything.
connected.
Yeah, through there. Simple.
Yeah, and it's Western WSTRN.
TRN.
Without the E's.
Without the E's.
No E's
All right,
up in
cool.
here. Love it.
Don't ease them up.
Thank you guys
You
so much
understand?
for joining us. At first, you guys look a little bit sleepy, but now we see that you have a vibe and we love it. And thank you guys so much for joining us on the show. It was a pleasure.
Thank you for having me. Legends
Thank you so
always.
much.
And that was for the little one.
We look
All
boys.
Bless up,
Sweet
guys.
boys.
Daytime Live will be right back.